Hey guys, this is Afidi. I hope you all are doing good and you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said in my previous video that I will teach you Salesforce from scratch. So this is the first Salesforce tutorial video in this channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a Salesforce developer org, and then I will discuss about Trailhead and I will show you how to create a Trailhead account also. So let's see how to create a Salesforce developer org. Open any browser from your system. Here I have opened Chrome browser and type developer.salesforce.com. developer.salesforce.com. Now click on the sign up button, and it is absolutely free, and enter your first name here and enter your email ID here, and email should be a valid email ID because you will receive a activation link in your email, and job role developer. And if you working at a company, then you can provide the name, otherwise you can give XYZ. As I am from India, here I am giving India. Postal code, you can give your postal code, and you can give any username, but the format should be in email format. Like here I am giving mdafridi@server.com, and now click sign me up. In your email you will receive a verification link like this, and don't worry guys, sometimes it takes some time to receive. Now just click on the verify account button and set your password here. I'm setting my password. And remember that password must contains 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. Then security, your Kolkata, change password. Now your developer org is ready to use, and you can consider this page as the front end of the platform. And from the gear icon, then setup, you can consider this page as the back end of the platform. And don't worry guys, I will discuss about all of the features in the upcoming videos. Now let's take a look into Trailhead. First, let me tell you what is Trailhead. Basically, Trailhead is an online learning platform provided by Salesforce itself, where you can learn Salesforce and get hands-on experience. And this platform also absolutely free like Salesforce. So let's create a Trailhead account. Type Trailhead in your browser and click the first link. Now click the sign up button and now click Salesforce. Here provide your Salesforce credential which you have just created. Here I'm entering my credential. Now click the next button. Give your company name. Here I'm giving XYZ. Then role name developer, relationship to Salesforce, customer, country. Here I'm giving India. State West Bengal. Now select this checkbox and click done button. There are multiple Trailhead modules available in this platform. By completing these modules, you can earn Trailhead badges and points. You will learn lots of things by completing these modules. Apart from this, in future when you will appear for Salesforce interview, Interviewer might ask you how many trailhead badges and super badges you have completed. So in the upcoming videos, whatever modules I will cover, I'll provide the related trailhead modules links and you have to complete those modules. And don't worry guys, in the next video I will show you a demo how to complete a module and earn trailhead badges and trailhead points. Okay. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye.